Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Charlene, Patton joining us yet again from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show. It's a new year and some new recipes you've been setting up for us.
New recipes for January. We call this comfort food, and it's National Soup Month, so we're going to combine that. And I thought, what would be fun to serve that soup in but a bread bowl? So we have this great bread recipe that is a dough that we're making, just a simple white dough. You could even add some whole wheat flour to it, but it has 1 package of yeast, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and then a tablespoon of sugar, and 2.5 to 3 cups of flour.
Okay.
So you're going to make that into a nice dough. And one of the great things about this dough recipe is that you can make this the day before, put it in the refrigerator, and then when you're ready to serve the next day to have some hot bread bowls, cut it into maybe 6 portions. What we're going to do then, you'll see I have 2 here that I've rolled out, and gosh, it's such a nice dough. It's not sticky or anything, and you want to make it about a 6-inch circle. How's that?
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, and see, I'm not adding any more flour to it. It just is a really nice dough. What we're going to do, and this is like a 10-ounce custard cup.
Okay.
And we're going to take, here's the deal. And I have used both ways. I've used vegetable oil, and I've also used shortening. I really like the shortening. That seems to work really well too. But cover that with that. You know why we do that? So it doesn't stick. And then
well, that makes sense.
Yeah, and so we're going to just put that over it, and then just, you can pull that down and work with it so that it covers it. How's that?
That looks pretty good. I mean, that's a pretty simple way to make a little bowl there.
It is, isn't it? And if you wanted a bigger bread bowl, just use a bigger bowl underneath there. Then we're going to cover it again with some vegetable oil here. And then somewhere between Topeka and Pittsburgh is my seasoning. I'm not sure where it is. I don't see it this morning we come in. But you could use any kind of seasoning. You could use basil. You could use, I had used some rosemary on this.
Okay.
Use whatever your family likes and sprinkle that with it. Let that rest for about 20 minutes. Then it's going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. And there you have it. Look how nice and golden that is. You can see the seasonings on there.
Yeah, those seasonings look really good on there.
It doesn't brown as much on the inside, but you have that nice brown on the outside. And then here you see I've put it in our bowl and filled it with our wonderful soup that we're going to do later this month.
All right, I'm looking forward to that soup because that looks pretty good. You mentioned, comfort food and things to help you kind of just relax. This is really, with everything going on, the fact that, colds are going around, this is the perfect time of the year for this kind of stuff.
It sure is. And the Kansas Soybean Commission, we have all 5 recipes for January on our website. They'll be on there later today. And we invite everyone to come to our website and check out all of our wonderful recipes.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, we'll have this information on our website as well at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.